How to add an updating date and time in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. Then, click on where you want to add your date and time. Then at the top, click on Insert. And here, you will find Time and Date option. Click on it. Select the format you want. And make sure there is tick mark and update automatically at the bottom. After that, press on OK and date will be added as you can see. But if you want it only in your header, as your header setting, double click on the header at the top to activate header. After you have done that, you'll find header and footer option at the top. In there, click on date and time. After you click on date and time, you will find all the formats pop up. Select the date and time option and make sure it's update automatically and press on OK. After you have done that, simply press on enter or press anywhere and your header will be added, and also it will be updated after it's saved and reopened again. This is how to add an updating date and time in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.